Oh, Facebookers, YouTubers. I made this little thing that I saw on YouTuber, the strip wires. Don't make it because it doesn't work. I've got this little thing up and down. Okay, it's supposed to squish the wires, right? Well, you can never get this to stay on the driver. It just won't stay. I made some flat spots so it'll stay on it. It just keeps on it. Of course, this ain't the best drill either. If you got one you can crank down like you do on this, you might be able to, but it won't stay on the drill. This right here adjusted up and down. Okay, I got bearings on both sides of that, and then on the inside ones, the bearings are on the inside, and these wheels do roll. All right, and freely at that, but it's postage strip wire. I just busted it. It ain't worth a crap. Bye.